Hi, dude. Let's click subscribe, and we'll make that bell dark, and let's go. Bye. Would you like a story before your nap? All right. Well, calm yourselves down, and we'll start. We'll start the story of Be More Power. Now, you see, when you were born, you came here with even some special powers. One of them was the Be More power. Well, because all many masters come with Be More power. As a matter of fact, every kid comes with Be More power. But sometimes they unlearn Be More power. And that's why they start to feel bad when they don't get more things. Oh. So you come here and you arrive with this Be More power. But the reason we know that all kids come with Be More power is because there's only one thing they know how to do when they're born. And that's play. Play? Yes, play. You're playing with your fingers, you're playing with your feet, you come out playing with your toes, you start playing with your ears and your body parts and all kinds of things, and you're playing. And you're having fun, you're playing, and you're just not doing anything. You don't even know where you are, but you know one thing, you're playing. And as you play, you start to be more. You get fatter anymore. You learn more things. You learn how to use your fingers, your toes, your feet. You learn how to crawl. You learn how to sit up. You learn how to say words and sounds, and you learn about what things are as you're playing more and more. You're becoming more. So, as you become more, then you get to choose. You get to choose between two things: being more or getting more things. Now, if you choose just to get more things, and you feel bad if you don't get those things, then you end up feeling bad a lot. And you also get angry a lot. And you get mad. And as this goes on over time and you want more and you want more and you want more, you start doing things that aren't very nice to people. Fighting, arguing, even causing wars, or taking advantage of people, using them in the wrong way. And when you choose to be more instead of get more, something else happens. Then you start to be more love. And are being more love, then there are more people that are doing what they want to do in life, creating what they want to create in life, without harming other people, without misusing other people. And with each new mini-master creating what she wants in life or he wants in life, without harming others or using others in the wrong way, the whole world gets better. And that's more love. And more peace. When you be more, instead of wanting to get more, there's more peace. And you realize that you're a piece of something bigger, piece of something greater, piece of something that's so wonderful. And that's called humankind. And you're a piece of humankind. When you choose to be more, you realize that there's more of one kind of human being. And we realize that there's one kind of us, that we're all connected. And we're all part of something. That we don't want to be violent, we don't want to be hate, we don't want to have war. What we want is joy. So we can be more joy. And all of us together can live in joy, even inside of joy. The happiness of joy. So from the very beginning, you see, many masters, part of becoming a mini master, and even though all kids are born with being more, there comes a point where we must choose between being more and getting more things. And when you're a mini master, and there's something that you want, and you don't get it at that particular time, you don't get it in just that way that you think you're going to get it, you still feel good. Because you know that you're being more love, more peace, more kind. And you're living in that more joy. And everything that you do in being more makes the world a little bit better. And that is the story